Hello there, my name is Stephen Hall and I'm one of the co-developers of SplitTest Pro. On this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to set up a split test. First of all, I'm going to go to the new test section and I'm going to choose an empty slot. Now I have a couple of options here. I can create an A/B split test within the same page. Now this is the kind of test you would use if you were testing two different headlines, or maybe two different graphics, or maybe you were testing out two different bullet points. Or I can do a multi-page split test, and this is simply sending people to 2, 3 or 4 completely different websites. So I'm going to do the first option, which is an A/B split test. I need to name my test, so I'm just going to call it a demo. And we would put in a test description here, but as this is a demo, I'm just going to type demo. Now I need to enter the price for my first option and the price for my second option. Now sometimes these will be different if you're testing two different prices, but sometimes they will be the same. In this case, both prices are $47, so I'll just pop in there $47 for both of these. And this will enable the system to calculate my earnings per click. Now that's all the information that I need, so I scroll down and click on Create Test. Now if I go to the Get Code page, I can click on the test I've just created and it gives me the code for this particular test. There are 3 sections of code that I need to put into my website. This first section right here, I'm just going to copy that. This goes at the very top of my sales page. So I've got my sales page already open and it's right here, and I want to pop that right at the very top there. So I'm just going to put the cursor in there and paste that code right at the top. It's even going before the doc type statement, so it's right at the very top of the page. Now this is the page that we're testing, and the test that we're doing, we're going to test this headline here, how to split test your website the easy way, against this headline, how to make more money from the same amount of traffic. So we've got a feature headline versus a benefits headline, and as you can see in the code, they're both just here. So if I go back over to SplitTest Pro, the second code that I need actually wraps around those 2 options and it hides one of them from view. So I'm going to select that code, I'm going to copy it, I'm going to go back to my website and I'm just going to make some room here and I'm going to paste the code in, and then I'll show you how to put your different options in there. The first option, which was this one, goes inside here where it says option A goes here, and the second option, which is this one, goes in this part right here where it says option B goes here. So I'm going to cut that, I'm going to put it in here, and I'm going to cut this one as well. I'm going to put that one in where it says option A. That's my sales page ready, so I need to save that and just upload it to my server, and that's good to go. Now I need to track the sales, so we need to put some code into the download page or the thank you page. So we've got this last section of code just here. We'll just select that and we'll copy it. I'll just pop back to my website. This is my download page. Pop the cursor right in at the top and paste that code in before anything else on the page. Save that, upload that to your server, and you're good to go. It's as simple as that. It just takes a couple of minutes to set up your test. Once your test is up and running, we give you real-time stats so you can calculate your earnings per click and your click-through rate, and you can find out which of your options is winning and which one is making you the most money. So it's very easy for you to optimize your website and get more money in your pocket from the same amount of people. If you have any questions at all that are not answered on this page, then pop us an email at support@splittestpro.com and we'll answer any questions that you have. Take care. Bye-bye.